How can I view my Apple Music playlists on different devices?
Hello, Apple Music enthusiasts. Today we're going to discuss how you can view and enjoy your Apple Music playlists across multiple devices. This feature is very helpful for those who use different Apple devices, like iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and want to access their favorite playlists on any device. Apple Music's synchronization feature will allow you to do just that.
What do you need to make this work?
To successfully view your Apple Music playlists on different devices, you'll need a few things in place. 1. Apple Music subscription. You should have an active Apple Music subscription, as this feature is exclusive to subscribers. 2. iCloud account. Make sure that you're signed into your iCloud account on all devices you want to use. 3. iCloud Music Library turned on. This feature should be turned on for every device where you want to view your playlists.
How to turn on iCloud Music Library?
Turning on the iCloud Music Library is a simple task. Here's how to do it for various devices. 1. iPhone or iPad. Go to Settings, Music, toggle on Sync Library. 2. Mac. Open Music app, choose Music from the top menu greater than Preferences, General, select Sync Library. Remember to do this for all the devices on which you want to access your playlists.
How to access the playlists on different devices?
Once you've set up the iCloud Music Library on all devices, accessing your playlists is pretty straightforward. 1. Open the Apple Music app on the device. 2. Tap or click on the Library option. 3. Here, you'll find the Playlists section. All the playlists you have created should be visible there. It's important to note that it may take a few moments for new playlists to sync across all your devices. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Apple Music playlists, no matter which Apple device you're using. We hope this tutorial makes your Apple Music experience even more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more Apple tips and tricks. Until then, keep the music playing.